Once upon a time, in a quaint little village nestled amidst the rolling hills, there lived an old man named Ramesh. Ramesh was known throughout the village for his kindness and gentle demeanor. Despite facing numerous hardships in his life, he always had a smile on his face and a kind word for everyone he met. Ramesh had a deep love for gardening. His small cottage was surrounded by a beautiful garden bursting with colorful flowers of every kind. He would spend hours tending to his garden, nurturing each plant with care and affection. However, as Ramesh grew older, his health began to decline. His once strong hands became weak, and his legs struggled to carry him through the garden. Despite his physical limitations, Ramesh refused to give up his beloved pastime. One day, a young girl named Priya, who lived next door to Ramesh, noticed his struggles in the garden. She admired Ramesh's resilience and determination, and she decided to lend him a helping hand. Every day, Priya would visit Ramesh and assist him in the garden. She would water the plants, pull out weeds, and gently prune the flowers under Ramesh's guidance. Their bond grew stronger with each passing day, and Ramesh found solace in Priya's companionship. As the seasons changed, so did Ramesh's health. His body grew weaker, and he was confined to his bed for days at a time. Yet, even in his darkest moments, Priya remained by his side, offering him comfort and support. One chilly autumn morning, Ramesh passed away peacefully in his sleep, surrounded by the beauty of his garden and the love of his dear friend Priya. The entire village mourned his loss, but they also celebrated the legacy of kindness and compassion that he had left behind. In the years that followed, Priya continued to tend to Ramesh's garden, keeping his memory alive through the vibrant blooms that adorned his cottage. And though Ramesh was no longer physically present, his spirit lived on in. In the years that followed, Priya continued to tend to Ramesh's garden, keeping his memory alive through the vibrant blooms, the hearts of all who knew him, reminding them of the power of love, friendship, and the beauty of a life well lived.